all peers, either Python or Java, will be exchanging the same JSON messages containing the username, nonce, and timestamp, and that are sent by a peer that succeeds in mining a block, and he sends it to all other peers. So this will be the first peer, first Java peer, and this is the second Java peer. And each one of the peers will pick up messages coming from all others. And let's go ahead and start mining. And this one succeeded in mining this block, and it was verified by all other peers. So hashing is taking a string of any length as input and producing a fixed length output. And here we are using SHA-256, the one used by Bitcoin, and it produces a 256-bit hash. And here, since we are displaying in base 16, we end up with a 64 characters. And for the purpose of this simple prototype application, we are taking the username plus the timestamp plus a continuously varying nonce and hashing those, and the proof of work is to have this hash be smaller than the max bound. So this max bound. So we end up with this hash in base 16 that is smaller than this max bound. And this was the first peer that successfully produced that hash So this one, for example,